Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 22nd January 2021. Your chapter 10 perimeter, area and volume was going on. Students, in the last class I have started mixed bag. In mixed bag I have completed 5 part of question number 1 A, B, C, D, E. Now today I want to continue from the F part. This is the last part of question number 1. So look here and listen carefully. In this question it has been given a stone of volume 60 cubic centimeter is placed in a measuring cylinder with 100 milliliter water. यानी क्या, एक स्टोन है जिसका वॉल्यूम कितना है 60 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर है. ठीक है, इसको एक मेजरिंग सिलेंडर में प्लेस किया जाता है, यानी इनपुट किया जाता है, ड्रॉप किया जाता है, एंड वाटर दैट हैज बीन गिवन इन मेजरिंग सिलेंडर दैट इज 100 मिलीलीटर. इट मीन्स मेजरिंग सिलेंडर में जो वाटर दिया है, द मेजरमेंट ऑफ दैट वाटर इज 100 मिलीलीटर. ओके, देन वन न्यू लेवल ऑफ वाटर विल बी. नया लेवल वाटर का क्या होगा? इसमें ऑप्शन आपको दे रहा है 1, फर्स्ट दे रहा है 60 मिलीलीटर, सेकंड दे रहा है 160 मिलीलीटर, थर्ड दे रहा है 40 मिलीलीटर एंड फोर्थ दे रहा है 200 मिलीलीटर. स्टूडेंट्स, इन द एक्सरसाइज 6 आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट टू यू अबाउट इट. In this I have told to you 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. It means जो वॉल्यूम होगा सिलेंडर का, मेजरिंग सिलेंडर जो आपका वाटर का वॉल्यूम होगा, यानी वाटर की जो स्पेस लिया है उसने, वाटर जो सिलेंडर के अंदर भरा हुआ है वो कितना है 100 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर होगा. बिकॉज 1 मिलीलीटर क्या होता है 1 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर के. सो 100 मिलीलीटर क्या होगा, दैट इज रिलेट्स फ्रॉम द 100 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. ओके, एंड नाउ इट हैज बीन आल्सो गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन स्टोन वॉल्यूम इज 60 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. सो जब हम इसे वाटर लेवल में डालेंगे सो वाटर का नया लेवल क्या होगा? सो हियर यू विल राइट वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्टोन इज इक्वल टू 60 cubic centimeter. Okay, so after placing the stone into the water, new level of water is equal to क्या करेंगे आप 100 पहले है. अब इसमें स्टोन आपके वॉल्यूम कितना दे रहा है स्टोन का, दैट हैज बीन गिवन 60 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. सो 100 प्लस 60 इट मींस यू विल गेट 160. 100 प्लस 60, 100 वाटर का लेवल हो गया, एंड नाउ यू हैव गॉट 60 मिलीलीटर 60 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्टोन. सो अब क्या होगा 100 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर में आप क्या करेंगे 60 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर को ऐड कर देंगे, देन यू विल फाइंड आउट द लेवल ऑफ water. Okay, new level of water. It means 100 plus 60 is equal to 160 cubic centimeter. So you can check about it. 160 cubic centimeter आ रहा है. So 160 cubic centimeter means that will be related from the milliliter also. Okay, so आप इसको क्या कह सकते हैं, equal to 160 milliliter. Now you can see the answer. In the answer I have got that second option is the correct option. So here we will write the answer. Answer is equal to second 160 milliliter. Clear? It means आपको करना क्या है, आपको बस ये फॉर्मूला याद होना चाहिए. 1 मिलीलीटर में कितने क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 1 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. सो 100 मिलीलीटर में कितने क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 100 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्टोन दिया है 60 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. सो हमने ये 100 को क्यूबिक में कन्वर्ट कर दिया था. सो 100 प्लस 60 इक्वल टू 160 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, एंड 1 मिलीलीटर आपके 1 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर के इक्वल है. सो 160 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर क्या होगा 160 मिलीलीटर के इक्वल हो जाएगा. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एवरीथिंग योर आंसर नंबर 4 160 मिलीलीटर इज करेक्ट. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? स्टूडेंट्स, सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हैज बीन गिवन फाइंड द पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया. In this question there are the 6 part has been given from A to F. So I am starting from A part. In A part this diagram has been given in your book in page number 181. You can see in your book also. So in this the length has been given here 5 centimeter and breadth has been given 4 centimeter. So on the basis of that everything you can easily understand about it, that is related from the rectangle. लेंथ और ब्रेथ दोनों ही डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शेप्स की दे रहा है, इसके मेजरमेंट जो है वो दोनों के अलग अलग दिए हैं. सो इट मींस दैट हैज बीन ट्रीटेड एज लाइक अ रेक्टेंगल. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ रेक्टेंगल? सो हियर वी विल राइट अबाउट दैट. पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया आपको दोनों निकालना है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द पेरीमीटर. सो वी विल राइट पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू, आई थिंक स्टूडेंट समझ में आया होगा रेक्टेंगल की लेंथ और ब्रेथ हमने क्या बताया, दोनों डिफरेंट है. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एवरीथिंग this is rectangle. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 into bracket के अंदर length plus breadth. L मतलब length, B मतलब breadth. Okay. So 2 into length has been given 5 and breadth has been given 4. So 2 into 5 plus 4 9. 9 2 are 18. 18 what? Centimeter. Okay. Clear? So that is the perimeter of that diagram. Now you will find out the area. So I will solve it here. Look here. Area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Is equal to length into breadth. It means length को अगर आप breadth से multiply कर देंगे, so you can easily find out the area. So what is the length? 5 centimeter and what is the breadth? 4 centimeter. So it means 5 length है, 4 breadth है, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 20 what? एरिया आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट टू यू. एरिया आप किसमें बताएंगे? स्क्वायर में. सो 20 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. ओके. सो वी विल राइट इट इन अ सेपरेट फॉर्म. आंसर पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 18 सेंटीमीटर एंड एरिया इज इक्वल टू 20 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Now students see the C part of this question. In the C part the diagram has been given as like this. You can see it in your board. This is the diagram. In this you can see side has been given here 4 centimeter. It means the length has been given 4 centimeter and the breadth has been also given 4 centimeter. So when all the sides are equal as like this figure, so this is called rectangle or स्क्वायर. क्या कहते हैं? रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्क्वायर. ओके. सो अगर आपकी सारी साइड्स इक्वल है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड स्क्वायर. ओके. सो स्क्वायर है, आपको निकालना क्या है? पेरीमीटर निकालना है इसका और एरिया निकालना है. सो फॉर्मूला पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू साइड. इट मीन्स आप 4 से साइड में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो आफ्टर दैट यू कैन फाइंड आउट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज द साइड हैज बीन गिवन 4 से 4 तो लिखेंगे ये आप. साइड ऑल्सो हैज बीन गिवन एज लाइक अ 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो 4 इंटू 4 4 4 जा 16. 16 वॉट? सेंटीमीटर. ओके. पेरीमीटर आपका कितना है? 16 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू side into side. So what is the side has been given? That has been given 4 centimeter. So it means side into side means 4 into 4. 4 into 4 4 4 are 16. 16 what? When you want to find out the area, so you will write the area in square. 16 square centimeter. So you will write the answer. Perimeter is equal to 16 centimeter. Area is equal to 16 square centimeter. Perimeter क्यों निकला 16? Because formula is 4 into side. Side is already given 4, so 4 into 4 16. And area of square is equal to side into side. So side क्या 4 है, so 4 into 4 is equal to 16 square centimeter. Okay. Clear students? Now students see the E part of this question. In the E part the length has been given 7 centimeter and breadth has been given 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So here you will also find out the perimeter and area. So students you can see about it, the length has been given 7 and 3.5 has been given breadth. So it means that is relates from that indicates from the rectangle. It means ये आपको क्या शो कर रहा है? ये rectangle है. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket के अंदर L plus B. L plus B means length plus breadth. So 2 into length has been given 7 एंड ब्रेथ हैज बीन गिवन 3.5, सो 2 into इन दोनों को आप ऐड करेंगे उसके आएगा 10.5. नाउ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई, देन आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू विल गेट 10.5 into 2 is equal to 21 centimeter, because unit has been given as like this centimeter, so हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ सेंटीमीटर. आप 10.5 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, नाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट द area of that rectangle also. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So here we will write about that. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what is the length has been given? That has been given 7 and breadth has been given 3.5. So you will multiply 7 into 3.5. Now you will multiply 7 5s are 35. 35 का 5 here 3 will be carry forward. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3 24. 24.5 what? Area has been given, so here you will write square centimeter. Unit has been given centimeter, so area निकालने के लिए आप क्या करते हैं? स्क्वायर का यूज करते हैं. So that is your area of rectangle is equal to 24.5 square centimeter. So now you will write the answer in a proper form as like this. Answer: perimeter is equal to 21 centimeter and area is equal to 24.5 square. That is the square, 24.5 square centimeter. I think students, now it is clear how can you find out the area or and perimeter of these diagram, these figures. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query with me. Now students, see the third question. In third question there are the 6 part has been given A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now I am starting from the A part. In the question number 3 it has been given find the perimeter P and A area of each rectangle. In the question number A it has been given length L से लिखा है, L is equal to 12 सेंटीमीटर में है ये, breadth सेंटीमीटर में 8. Okay, it has been asked about P सेंटीमीटर में it has been asked. Okay, and A सेंटीमीटर में it has been also asked. A means area, so it has been asked about the square centimeter. Okay, square centimeter it has been asked. So look here, how can we find out it? And as you know students, in the question it has been given also each rectangle, it means find the perimeter and area of each rectangle. It means that is the size, जो size आपको दिए that is based on the rectangle. So first you will write about the perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth means L plus B. L means length, B means breadth. So 2 into length has been given 12, breadth has been given 8. So 2 into 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. 20 into 2 is equal to 40 what? Centimeter. Because here it has been given length, bracket में लिखा है centimeter, B bracket में लिखा है centimeter. It means the measurement scale is on the basis of the centimeter. जो unit है measurement की that is in centimeter. So now you have find out the perimeter of rectangle. Then after that you will find out the area of rectangle also. So next thing, area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? That is relates on the length into breadth. What is the length has been given? 12. 12 has been given length and 8 has been given breadth. So 12 8s are 96. Okay. If you have not remembered that about the table, so please learn the table in a proper way. Okay, 12 8s are 96. What? Square centimeter. Okay. So now you have find out the both answers. So you will write the answer in a proper form. Answer first, perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter. Second answer, area is equal to 96 square centimeter. Clear students? Now students, see the C part. In the C part, L has been given 16 centimeter, B has been given 12 centimeter. It means length has been given 16 centimeter and breadth has been given 12 centimeter. And it has been asked about P. P means perimeter, A means area. Area आपसे पूछ रहा है और perimeter पूछ रहा है, and as you know that is the rectangle. Okay, so we will use the formula of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. It means 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into L means 16, B means breadth 12. So 2 into 16 और 12 को आप ऐड करेंगे, so you will got 28. So 28 को आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 8 जा 16, 16 का 6 here and 1 will be carry forward, 2 2 जा 4, 4 plus 1 5, 56 what? Centimeter. So it means we have find out the perimeter of that measurement of rectangle, that is 56 centimeter. Now it has been asked about the area also. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what is the length? That is 16 and breadth has been given 12. So now you will multiply 16 and 12 in the rough column. Look here, 16 and 12. First we will multiply with 2, 2 6 are 12. 12 का 2 here, 1 will be carry forward, 2 1 are 2, 2 plus 1 3. Then 1 से multiply करेंगे 6 and 1, so 2 9 and 1. 192 what? 192 square centimeter, because in the area you will find out the, when you want to find out the area, so it will be written in the square centimeter. So here you will write 192 square and measurement की unit क्या है? Centimeter. So here we will write centimeter. Clear students? So that is the answer. So we will write the answer first. Perimeter is equal to 56 centimeter. Second point, area is equal to 192 square centimeter. Clear students? Now students see the F part of this question. In the F part, L centimeter में दिया है कितना? 10. B यानी breadth centimeter में दिया है 3.1. It means length and breadth has been given in centimeter. Here it has been asked about the perimeter and area. So this is the rectangle. So same as previous question, we will solve it. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Clear? So what is the length has been given here? 2 into length has been given 10. Breadth has been given 3.1. It means 10 plus 3.1. So here we will write 2 into 10 plus 3.1. It means 13.1. Now we will multiply it. 13.1 into 2. 2 ones are 2 and 13 to the 26. 26.2 what? Centimeter. Okay, because unit has been given in centimeter. So this is the perimeter, we have got it. Then after that it has been asked about the area as like a previous question. So here we will write area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length has been given 10, breadth has been given 3.1. Now when you will multiply 10 with 3.1, so you will multiply as like this. In the rough column you can see 3.1 into 10, 0 से करेंगे 0 0, then 1 and 3, 0 1 3. So कितने नंबर बाद आप डेसिमल पुट करेंगे? 1 डिजिट बाद, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 1 डिजिट के बाद क्या डेसिमल है. So here we have got it as like this, 31 what? Square centimeter. So now students you can see we have got the perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle. So we will write the answer also. Answer first, perimeter is equal to 26.2 centimeter. Second point, area is equal to 31 square centimeter. Okay. So students, आज की क्लास में इतना ही. If you have any doubt students, then you can also ask the query with me without any hesitation. Okay students.